Howdy folks, it's Eddie Eldorado from the Hangtown News Network. We're broadcasting from the Cascadian Republic in the state of Jefferson. Breaking news this morning about Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton. You know, she can appoint her own judges and overrule everything about the Second Amendment. You ever wonder why these guys never read the Second Amendment on the air? I'll tell you why. Because if you read the whole Second Amendment, what it says is to prevent tyranny in government. Tyranny in government. The right of the people to bear arms shall not be infringed. That's got nothing to do with the National Guard. It has everything to do with we the people. If we had enough, we had enough. Second Amendment is codified into law, Title 10, Section 311, United States Code. That's where you can find it. You can look it up. It ain't a conspiracy theory. It's right there in front of you. National news will not tell you this stuff because they're bought off, paid off, lying media, whore sluts. And they don't tell you the truth. Alright, same thing with Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton. Yeah, I think it's all a setup by both of them, actually. You look up the 93rd Congress report about the state of the national emergency, and also the Federal Regional Act signed into effect by President Richard Nixon in the 70s, which split the United States into 10 federal regions with appointed officials. Nobody elects these people. They are put in there like a king is putting in a servant. Do we have tyranny in government? Well, I'll ask you one question. Why does Barack Obama go to the annual Halloween party totally naked with a Idaho potato wrapped around his neck? Because he's a dictator. This is Eddie Eldorado from Hangtown News Network, Cascadian Republic, and the state of Jefferson. Y'all look that stuff up, man.